Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I am still in Colorado. Yeah, still in Colorado. June 1st, and I am still in Colorado. Hoping to be out of here by now, but it does not look like I am going to be out of here for the next several months. Today is about June the 4th, I think, that I'm filming this video. My hair is a mess. It's all frizzy because it has been raining literally almost every day the entire month of May, and it is raining the whole first week of June again. So it is like Oregon and Seattle kind of all wrapped into one. Today's video is actually going to be on a company that I, was really hesitant to get anything from. I saw a lot of influencers talking about Temu. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I kind of was really not going to get involved with their products. I knew it was a company, I think, that's coming out of China. The products are coming from factories, I believe, and warehouses in China. And I just felt they weren't either going to work, I wasn't going to be delivered the product, or, something was going to happen in the transit from China to the United States. So I was very reluctant, didn't want to even get involved in testing out their products. Well, I was approached by them and asked, would I be willing to try out some of their products? They allowed me to pick out a few things from their website and show them on my YouTube channel and kind of give my honest review of them. Now, Temu is really a different kind of site. They offer discounts that are super steep, almost to the point of being unbelievable, on products from almost any category you could possibly think of. I picked out a few things. I'm going to show you the unboxing of them. I'm going to give you my impressions of them. I'm going to tell you the price of them. I will link everything down in my description box, just so you know, if you click on any of those links down there. I believe I get some kind of credit for Temu. I'll be honest with you, I am over 60 and I really don't know how a lot of these websites work. I haven't really kind of gotten involved in figuring out exactly how Temu works, but what I know is they gave me the opportunity to pick out a few things for free. I could show them on my YouTube channel. I can link them in my description box. And then even people like you, when you purchase products from them, they have like this spin the wheel thing. I'm kind of just getting up to speed on this. Apparently you can earn credit with this spin the wheel game that they have on their website, and you can also earn credit by having friends join the platform. It is a real platform. They do sell literally almost everything on this site. I'm going to give you my experience. Now, what I do feel is I feel that Temu has really caught on here. I think it's one of the most common app now downloaded in the United States. The only thing is, you have to understand that these products are coming from China. Probably will make an impact on our economy in the United States because they're going to be in direct competition with places like Amazon and other distributors. They're going to almost kind of have to force them to slash prices, and that, has repercussions down the line. What Temu is doing is, instead of selling directly to distributors, what they are doing to cut cost is they are selling directly to the customers. And that's why when you see these prices on this stuff, you're going to be shocked. And I was shocked. So let me take you to the unboxing, and I'm going to show you everything I got, how I used it in my house. I did purchase things from like different categories as much as I could. Kind of stayed away from clothing because of fit and things like that. I just didn't want to get involved in that. So let me just take you to the unboxing. This is how my package came delivered to me. It was wrapped in this plastic cover, and then all my items were put in a Ziploc plastic container. So I'm going to take them all out, and I'm going to show you individually what I purchased, how much each one was, and which ones really were my absolute favorites. I would have to say top of the list of the things that I received that I loved the most were these. These are called Think Plus earbuds. They're from a company called Lenovo, and I think these ran about $9.37. They're wireless. They have a USB charger that I just hook up to my computer. They have great noise control, and all the adjustments for volume and turning them on and off and things like that are all located in the earbuds. Everything is so clear. I hear no static. I don't know what the actual range of these are, but they are perfect for me because I just pop them in my ears. I can walk around my house, hear what I'm listening to on YouTube, and they're only $9.37, and they came also in different colors. So I love these, and you can see the little lights on the bottom. When all three are lit up, it means you have a complete charge, and when the charge eventually wears down, all you have to do is pop it into your computer and recharge your earbuds. I love these. Top of the list, my favorite things. The next thing I got was this car vacuum. It's a little portable car vacuum that again charges with a USB charger. I think this ran about $15.29. It got great reviews. It is obviously rechargeable. It's a great dust catcher, and what I liked about it is it has a very narrow nozzle attachment, much narrower than my regular vacuum, so I could really get in all the nooks and crannies in my car. The next thing I got was this, and I can't believe how much I use this thing. I really love it. I keep it in my closet for my underwear, dirty t-shirts, dirty socks, things like that. It is a pop-up laundry basket. I love the size of it. It was only $2.38, and because I am one of the unlucky people in Colorado that have their washer and dryer in the basement, which means I have to go from the top third floor all the way down to the basement to do my laundry. That's how a lot of these older homes were set up. I love this because it has handles, and I can just carry this little basket down there, do my laundry, and then bring everything back up again. The next thing I got was something for my teeth. This is a cordless water pick or water flosser, whatever you want to call it. I think it ran about $11.07. It has different settings for the pressure. It has a USB charger. I really like this. The only thing is that it's a little different than the more expensive water picks you would buy that have a cord. You have to keep this held upright in order for it to function properly. So after I charged this with a USB cable, and the way I actually like to use this is once it's fully charged, I fill the little plastic canister mainly with water, but then I add a cap full of my Listerine to it, and then I lean over the sink and let it go all over my teeth. Again, you have to hold this upright or you will not get it to get the water to come up the little tube. So it's a little different than the more expensive ones that are corded, but it served its purpose. Filled it up, added the Listerine, went over all my teeth with it, and then in order to clean it, I just filled it up again with just fresh water and ran it through to clean the nozzle off. Something else I got, which I can't believe I did not have, living in both Colorado and Arizona, where it gets really hot in the summertime, a car sun visor for my front windshield. I picked this one up. It has heat insulation. It was $13.77. I loved the little cats and dogs on the front of it, and it was kind of a generic windshield size. I think it ran 57.1 inches in length, and then in width it was about 27.4 inches in length. Serves the purpose, really like it, and glad I finally picked one of these up. Okay, that was what I got from Temu. I was really kind of impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I was really kind of impressed with the quality, impressed that everything worked, impressed that I really liked everything, impressed at the pricing, just unbelievable products for the price that you're paying. I will leave a link for all the products down in my description box. I'll also leave a link for the Temu website in case you're interested in testing it out. So far with this shipment, at least, I've been really quite pleased.